well. Come on. Gotta turn the volume down there so you can hear me. I just did a band scan of the shortwave band on my new ZHIWHI's A320 all band radio. It is about 5:45 in the morning here, local time in Clearwater, Florida. It received 21 signals. So we're going to go through and see if those are stations or just noise. That's the first one at 4.83. And then we'll turn the volume back up and see what we found. Okay, hit the wrong button, obviously. Okay, let's see. There's 21, 19.2, that's noise. 20, 18.24, noise. 12.12, nothing. 11.78. There we go. 11.78. I have no idea what that is. 10.15. Some kind of data I can hear low. 10 megahertz WWV. Yeah, I can hear the ticks. See if we can hear the beep on the hour. I mean a minute. Yep, there it is. I heard the male voice real weak. 9.99, 9.97, 9.95, 9.73, 71, 933. I think that might be a China radio frequency. 743.
Cientos de manifestantes fueron detenidos. Entidades no gubernamentales contabilizaron
618, 17, 603 with a lot of noise. Data. Good. 5.02. 484. Getting a lot of noise. Same thing. Okay. We are in my, what I call my garden room. So there's not too much radio interference. I clipped on my 10-foot wire antenna that's just up on the top of a bookshelf. So it's not much of an antenna. Shortwave conditions have been pretty bad lately. You have to just kind of luck out and catch it between the noise cycles. But this radio did okay. I imagine it would be, well, not imagine, I know it would be a lot better with a decent outdoor antenna, or just taking the radio outside, which I'm not going to do in the dark right now. So there's a quick one-time band scan of shortwave on this neat little, I really like this. This radio is neat. It's not the best receiver in the world, but it's neat and it's got so many functions. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.